Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to easily import SIM contact to your Google account in order not to lose any contact of your friends and loved ones on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here, just like so. And the next thing you need to do is to simply head over to your scroll down right here and make sure you go to Google. So click on Google right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on all services. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, until you get to Google Contacts Synchronize. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Review and Import. Then you have all the contacts on your SIM right here. So if you are using dual SIM phone, you will be able to see the two SIM you have on your phone. So you can decide to import all the contacts from the phone. So Google Contact will need to access SIMs on this phone to import contact. Imported contact will automatically synchronize and be available across Google services anywhere you sign in. This simply means that with this your Google account right here, even if you lost your phone or you damage your SIM card, you will still be able to retrieve back all the contacts you have in this particular account. It's as good as that. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Import from SIM. So I'm going to simply click on Import from SIM. So you can see importing contacts. So allow it to load up completely. So just like so, 179 contacts imported to this particular Google account. What you need to do is to simply click on Done. I'm backing up 84 contacts. Allow this backup status to complete. This depends on the type of internet you are using and how fast your internet speed is. That will determine how long it's going to take. And with that, you have fully set up importing of SIM contacts to your Google account. And with this, you will no longer lose any contact of your loved one, your family and friends, or business associates. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.